So here's current situation, waiting on some crush and run. I'm going to be using this recycled concrete. So I'm over here off of Wendover Avenue in Greensboro at Martin Materials. It's a concrete, asphalt, brick paver recycler, and basically it turns concrete into crush and run. Right here you got the crush and run, and then over here you've got over there they have the fines or the screenings that you can use. You can use this underneath patios. I've even seen guys do it for a base for gravel roads. Packs really well. It's also a better price, and it keeps concrete out of the landfill. So you're doing a good thing by using this product. And it's right here in Greensboro, Martin Materials, right off of Wendover Avenue or Burlington Road. Basically the same thing. So maybe you can use them on your next project.
The brick. The inlet was higher than the curb.
You want it all?
I don't think you're gonna have any extra.
No. It ain't gonna be enough though.
I think it's gonna be enough. I think it's gonna be just right.